Good evening, guys. We don't speak English at home, so I don't understand anything tonight. So who's part of the LGBT community?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm also part of the LGBT community. I'm a B. I'm bilingual. I'll be part of the LGBT community one day because I want to be trans. I'm planning to remove my dick for a bigger one. My friend is recording me. She's a good friend. Make sure to record it well because I need someone to laugh at my own jokes later. That's gonna be me. So, my name is Daniel. I'm Chinese. Is that okay? For me, it's not okay. My ex broke up with me because I'm Chinese. So, I love Poland. I love Poland. I live in Poland. I also love Philippines. China? I don't know. So, I'm from Binondo. Binondo is the oldest Chinatown in the world. It's in Manila. If you need a cheap tour guide, just let me know. I can be your cheap tour guide. I really love showing around, especially foreigners, the Chinatown because I'm from there. I'm proud of it. We have rich culture because it's the oldest one. We have rich history. We also have good food. I can take you to my favorite restaurant. I really like their Chinese hot dogs. The Chinese hot dogs there are homemade, made from real dogs.
Really?
Sometimes Shih Tzu, sometimes Chow Chow. The Chowking there, they have real Chow Chow. Have you seen the naked white girls in the elevator? In the poster?
Yeah.
I have white fever, so it makes me want to go back to Poland. Anyway, I'm getting thirsty. This is the only open mic I've been through that doesn't give free water. Yeah, I really don't like being Chinese. That's myself, guys. Next is Ravi.